It's Dora, that yarny zebra, and I am so ecstatic to share with you a little bit of what's going on my back deck or patio. I have a miniature raised bed out here, and this stuff right here, oh, I don't know, I'm in shadow. Okay, let me move this around a little bit. There. You can see we got some things getting ready to bloom. I have no clue what is coming up here. I am the one that planted it. Yes, I am. You can see it's one big lovely something and one big lovely something over here. No clue what that is. If you can't hear me, I'm fighting with the air conditioner beside me. Over on this side is potatoes, and they're crazy. I mean, they've shot straight up, but look really scrawny. The wind came the other day and took some of them out, but we're walking over here. Hi, baby. What's this doing out here? Just getting some sun. Mama got it too cold in there. Okay, so we're now at this beautiful dill. This, and oh, something's been nibbling on it besides me. What? This is my poke salad. Yes, it is. I did a video few weeks ago where I was picking poke really fast and ended up pulling it up from the root, and I brought this, you can see right here where I harvested it, and this was the leftover. The root is down inside the dirt here. I did this one too, but it killed over. It didn't live. These I had on the inside of my house in little cups of water, just to see if they would root and become producing again. And look at it. This is where I picked it. And here it is. Oh, I don't know if you can see that with my hand in the way. But there is the little end where I picked it. This one, there's the end where I picked it. These are eggshells. Yes, they are. This one died on me. The root sort of did not work. But I am ecstatic about seeing how much poke I can pick. That's a good one, isn't it? Out of this is ready to pick, because obviously something tried to eat it, so I'm gonna have to get it and add it to a mess so that I can have that. Oh, I'm sorry, it's really bright out here. Moving on to this little baby here. It hasn't been producing. It's had flowers on it, but you know, we got these suckers down here drinking up the water that this plant needs, that are not doing anything. So it had a bloom on it the other day, but I don't see any production. Okay, moving along. Right here. Let me get my camera down so we can see this. Got a nibbler here too, goodness. Okay, so this has been just doing its own thing, sort of, but look at this. These are called indigo sun, or indigo, oh, come on, let me think. Can you see it from here? Indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O, because of the dark purple going on in here. And the bottom is that beautiful. This one feels almost ready to pick, but I'll give it another day or two. And we got some more up here blooming. Something has nibbled that. Oh, I don't know what's out here eating my goodies, but there's a little bitty baby one there, and these are starting to come out. So I'm real tickled with this one. It's doing its thing. I like to pick these suckers off because they're doing nothing but taking up necessary water. This one was the same size of the big one, and it's been nibbled on. And this, my friends, is a avocado tree. It's a seed that came up that I planted, and it did split off. It's got the two pieces, and I think it's root bound. I'm gonna have to see what we can do about that. In here we got some little teeny weeny bitty baby. I don't know if you can see it. Let me move around here. Little bitty baby, tiny tomato plants. I ate a